At the Probate Pro, we keep trying to provide you with relevant information to allow you to navigate through the probate process more efficiently. Hi, I'm Darren Findling of the Probate Pro, and we're going to cover the probate filing fees that are a part of all filings that occur within the probate court. We've created a very helpful website and table to allow you to get great information in regard to these issues. As you can see from the highlighted area, it's the probatepro.com/filing fees, which takes you to the relevant probate filing fees. Now, we've grouped these in a variety of ways on this table that identify the various matters that you may be filing with the probate court, the relevant Michigan filing fee, a helpful video that we've put together, as well as the forms to allow you to initiate the filing of any of these particular types of matters. Now, again, this information is just basic information. We don't want you to rely on it before you file something or say something or send something into the court. We want you to work with a skilled, competent probate lawyer through any probate related issue to ensure that you're doing the work correctly. As well as this information may change along the way, and we don't want you to mistakenly file something. So please, let's check to make sure we have accurate information before any filings occur. But this is a great guide for you to have a basic understanding of the filing fees, and we'll update it as often as we can to ensure that you're provided with good information. Now, under the types of matter, you'll see that we've grouped them: accounts, conservatorship, guardianship, deceased estate, the various types of matter that are usually the triggering event for the filing fee. So for example, in a guardianship proceeding, it is the petition for guardianship which triggers that $175 filing fee, and so on. The next area is the filing fee, and then we've got these videos. These are one-click links to YouTube videos that the Probate Pro has put together that walks you through step by step through the various probate related issues. Again, for example, in the example of an account, we will show you an annual account and line by line basically how to navigate through that document. The last column here is the forms, and these are the state court administrative office forms that are the pre-printed template forms that we want you to use, or the court requires you to use for purposes of these various filings. So for example, if you click the free forms area on accounts, it's going to send you to a link of this scale form, a PDF form, which you can easily print, or if your computer allows you to type in the information on the form itself, print it, and then file it. Now again, with all of this, these petitions and the filing fees, every court has a different process upon which how to make that filing. And during the pandemic, some of the courts have changed it even further, whether they're going to accept a check, cash, credit card, whether you can file online or not. So please, it's quite important that you check with the individual probate court to ensure you understand the rules relating to the payment of those filing fees and how to file the documents themselves. In addition, there are certain circumstances where a person can waive the requirement, or the court can waive the requirement for the requisite filing fee based on somebody's dependence on a need-based benefit. For example, if they're receiving need-based benefits like Social Security or Medicaid, there is a waiver request that you can make because of poverty that may allow you to qualify to waive the requisite filing fee. So again, that form is called a fee waiver request, and again, it is a type of scale form, and it is scale form MC20 that allows you to make that request of the court. So hopefully this information is helpful to you in terms of the filing fees for probate related issues. Have a great day.